Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Save Our Earth Craft with Trash Challenge for Earth Day, and this is hosted by the Purple Pixie and co-hosted by Indiana Jones. If you haven't already, please be sure to visit their channels. I'll leave their links in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. this is the final reveal of all my projects over here. So let me start with this candle holder, and this is basically one of the soup tin container, and I actually melted all the wax from the leftover candles, and then I poured it with one of the wick that I got from Michael's. So that's like a beeswax wick, and so I just melted all the wax and I poured it in with some of the rose petals. And like you saw the process, I just covered this tin container with this shelf liner, which had this beautiful black and white marble effect on it. And I covered the candle holder at the top with one of the buffalo checker black and white ribbon, and then one cute bow. So yeah, this is how I'm reusing one of my tin container into a candle holder. I'm absolutely loving this, so let me know your thoughts on this. And the next one is just a lotion container. Like you saw the process, I painted chalk paint white, and then I just had one of those doilies. I just wanted to create this doily design on top of this, so I just stuck the doily with cellophane tape, and then I painted on top of it with some black chalk paint. So this is how beautiful it turned after that. So I just gave one of the same ribbon, black and white, buffalo checker on the top of the bottle, and then I decorated with some of the greeneries that I got from Dollar Tree. So yeah, this is one of the lotion container into a planter. So I'm absolutely loving this, so let me know your thoughts on this. And this is one of the burlap bag that it was lying in my stash from a long time. So I stuffed a lot of shopping plastic bags inside that just to give like a filler. And after that I decorated this with one of the farmhouse ribbon and created a bow with that, with using some jute twine. And I also stuffed a lot of hydrangeas, pink and peach color. So these are the few stuff that I could throw. I reused it and decorated it to something useful. So I'm very happy how these turned out. So let me know your thoughts on this. Which one is your favorite? And you want to give any comments towards my channel, I would appreciate that. Like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.